किसी से लड़ाई है इंडस्ट्री में? कोई एक ऐसा नाम या कोई ऐसा शख्स के जिसके बारे में कहो यार कितना भी अच्छा प्ले हो इसके साथ नहीं काम करूँगा?
नो
नहीं,
नहीं मैं
हैप्पी
कभी
गो लकी।
नहीं मैंने कभी दोस्ती नहीं ऐसी रखी जिससे दुश्मनी हो
हम ऐसा दिल रखते ही नहीं जो टूटे।
जो टूटे एग्जैक्टली
मुझे ये बताओ सामा
Yeah.
कि आई मस्ट से दिस, मैं सारे लोगों को कहती हूँ मेरा एक सेल्फिश रीज़न ऑफ इनवाइटिंग फ्रेंड्स एंड पीपल इज़ बिकॉज आई जेन्युइनली वांट टू कॉम्प्लीमेंट यू ऑन थिंग्स विच आई हैव ऑलवेज हेल्ड एज एन ओपिनियन अबाउट यू। मुझे लगता है कि माई फेवरेट वर्क बाई यू टिल डेट इज़ रुसवाई।
Oh, thank you so much.
I think it was such a sensitively written, executed story. और उसमें जो तुम्हारा किरदार था, एक ऐसे भाई के किरदार को प्ले करना जिसकी बहन को हरास किया जाए, who's subject to sexual violence. I think you did it beautifully. लेकिन I want to know what was it like to get into that skin.
Okay, so I don't have sagi behne. I have cousins. So I didn't quite understand कि वो बहन भाई का प्यार क्या होता है, right? Now the closest that I have is with my cousin. I understand that it's different from your brother. I have a little brother. That's a very different dynamic. And I found myself being in a way that with my cousin is एक अजीब सी tenderness होती है. Like I can go and put my brother in a headlock. I can.
Yeah.
It'll be fine. That'll be my hello. ठीक है. I can do the same with my sister, but I won't go all out.
You won't roughen her up.
No, absolutely not. Unless she deserves it. फिर वो एक अलग बात है. But I would ask her कि वो ठीक है, कुछ चाहिए, can I help you with anything? Do you want something to eat? Unnecessarily being nice, and I would question myself, why am I being so nice? And I found myself कि it's just a different kind of love.
Protective instinct है ना?
एक अजीब सी care है.
Okay.
Protective instinct तो बिल्कुल है, but it's also like just a lot of care is what I felt. When it came to Sana Javed playing the character Samira, if I'm not mistaken, I just really was like, yaar, what do I do? Because I can't just like put in some glycerin and start crying. Oh, मेरी बहन के साथ क्या हो गया? What does that actually mean? What would that mean? कि खुदा न करे आपकी बहन के साथ कुछ ऐसा हो गया. That took me a minute. I remember my first scene was with Mohammed Ahmed Saab when Sana Javed's character has just come home after the incident. And the mother has taken her into her room and the father and the son are just outside Bebas. That was my first scene of the play. Rubina Ashraf ko bahut credit jata hai that she really helped me with that. In the sense that I said, okay, I need a minute to wrap my head around this. She's like, take all the time you need. I was like, no, like, I'm sorry. I don't mean a minute. I mean like 10 minutes. It's like, yeah, sure, take it. Then she came up to me and she's like, do you need help? I'm like, what kind of help? Like, do you need some glycerin or something? I'm like, how about I try to do it through emotion to actual thing? She's like, हाँ बिल्कुल. If you
अच्छा
can.
उसमें कोई डायलॉग नहीं था ना उसमें?
No, there was no dialogue.
It's just expression.
It was just the character screaming in the room. That was it. And I then went up to Rubina. I was like, can you please do the lines in the room? Whatever you yell, just you do the yelling. And she did. And somehow something clicked in my mind and the emotion just came pouring out. And that scene actually didn't make the cut. उसमें कुछ technical issue आ गया था. That didn't happen. But once that scene happened, I was like, oh my God, this is going to be a monster of a play. Because that was just 15-second shot. It wasn't even a scene.
Just the tip of the iceberg.
Just not even the tip. Not even the tip. Because फिर जब बात when we were rehearsing for the moments of when she comes home, when she's abducted, what is the dynamic that will be developed for the father and son? What is the dynamic with the son and the mother? Like those were very, very like.
समझ जहन में क्या आता था? ये तो पहला एक्सपीरियंस था तुम्हारा, लेकिन जैसे तुमने कहा कि बहन कोई है नहीं और उस सिचुएशन में अपने आप को रखना, उससे रिलेट करना, क्या सोच रहे थे? हाउ आर यू प्रिपेयरिंग एंड व्हाट वर सम ऑफ द की थॉट्स फॉर यू?
मुझे I just had to latch on to the love मुझे जिसकी मैं बात कर रहा था, and I had to create a fictional character which had Sana Javed's face.
सही.
फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर से मुराद ये है कि आई हैड टू बिल्ड अ बैक स्टोरी कि ये अगर इतने अच्छे बहन भाई हैं तो क्यों हैं, क्या करते हैं ये लोग, ये किस तरह एक दूसरे की बजाते हैं, मिसाल के तौर पे क्या खाते हैं, क्या पीते हैं, माँ बाप से किस तरह क्या छुपाते होंगे, राइट. सो आई हैड टू बिल्ड दैट वर्ल्ड इन माई माइंड and I would do it every day on set. I'm not, unfortunately, I'm not that prepared of an actor. We don't get that opportunity either as drama actors, unfortunately, कि हम लग के 2 महीना बस प्रेप करें एक रोल के लिए. But every day I would just create stories in my mind.
मैं पूछना ये चाह रही हूँ कि तुम रिलेट कर पाते हो? हमारे यहाँ अक्सर आप देखें न्यूज़पेपर्स में, न्यूज़ चैनल्स पे इंसिडेंट्स रिपोर्ट होते हैं कि एक वालिद ने या एक भाई ने तैश में आके जिसकी बहन या बेटी को सब्जेक्ट किया गया वैसे वायलेंस के साथ, तैश में आके किसी कत्ल कर दिया या कोई एक्सट्रीम स्टेप उठा लिया, गैरत के नाम पे कुछ किया. माइंडसेट से रिलेट कर पाते हो? तुम्हें लगता है कि यार ये पता नहीं क्या उस वक्त जहन में किसी के हो?
For or against the daughter?
How do you react to an incident being reported this way कि किसी ने तैश में आके जिसके साथ ये हुआ था कत्ल कर दिया किसी और को या कोई और एक्सट्रीम स्टेप उठाया?
Oh, as in revenge, you're saying? हाँ, okay. I get it. I don't agree with it, but I understand it. Right? I don't think. I mean, who the hell am I to say this? कि I don't think कि किसी को कत्ल करना चाहिए. Like, I'm not going to get into that. That's the laws department. But I would understand the emotion to want to let go. Again, I don't have a sister, jo sagi ho, but I don't understand the fahash that happens, the complete madness that people do, the atrocities that they do with the women.
The pain. यानी the pain that a person goes through, क्योंकि वही जैसे तुमने कहा कि एक केयर भी है, एक प्रोटेक्टिव इंस्टिंक्ट भी है towards another person. And just to feel, and I you know when I was watching that play and your performance, मुझे लगता था कि यार वाकई it's so easy for us to look at a scene and to judge it या to say कि यार इसने अच्छी एक्टिंग की, इसने नहीं की. ये कितने मुश्किल situations हैं, और अगर आप वाकई जैसे तुमने कहा कि अगर बहन नहीं है और उससे रिलेट कर पाना और उस to be in that skin, to be in those shoes, it's very difficult. What has been the toughest role you've played?